question for you here. Among these two statements, variable declaration, which one is correct? I want you to write your answer in the comment section. So many beginners and even pro are still struggling about this double quote and single quote. That's why in this video I want to clarify it in just few seconds. You always asked yourself a single quote or double quote? This is the critical question here. So string variable can be declared either by using single or double quotes. To mean that all of them are correct. You can use either single quote or double quote, right? So for example here, as we have seen, you can just write X which is equal to John, or just name which is equal to John. Do you see? It's same as X which is equal to John with single quote. Please understand this. You can use single quote or double quote as you see. Because let us see in our code editor once we run our program what we will get. Yes, here once we come and write print name like this one as our variable, can just also print name too. Print name too, like this one also should be in brackets as a function, and here let us call it variable name too, because once we write just name, in that case it will display the last one which is John. But in order to clarify them, let us call it this name 1. Do you see? Then this name 2. Here should be name 1, and see whether it will display the same thing, and it should be the same, because we have seen that by using double quote or just a single quote, the output should be the same, right? So let us see. We need to come and click on our run icon here. Do you see? We click on it, and as you see, the output is almost the same, because just John and also John for second statement. So you can use either double quote or single quote, right? So don't confuse it again. We can just use single quote or double quote to define string values. So thank you. See you in next video.